Hello and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan Match. This Tiguan is powered by a 1.5 eTSI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in the Nightshade blue paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you find the 19-inch Catania alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Other features on this Tiguan include a set of roof rails, rated windows for passenger privacy, and keyless entry. Moving into the boot, which can be opened automatically, and you find the Tiguan offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen, and shopping bag hooks. From the boot, you can also access the tow bar. Into your rear seating, you'll find the interior to be fitted with this cloth and leather trim seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front, you'll find your rain controls and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, you find your front seat with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders, and storage inside the armrest. The multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Behind the steering wheel, you find your automatic gear stick. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various voice listening media such as FM and DB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available for further in-device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can check your vehicle status and access various settings available. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display. And you can also customise your speaker's equaliser settings. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system. And this Tiguan comes equipped with parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the approved used Volkswagen Tiguan Match that is now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.